how do we use the EMD technique in the actual paper? The EMD technique should take you about 10 minutes, 75 questions, 10 minutes. You're not solving the paper. I have done it with 100 questions in 10 minutes. This will come only with practice. Do it in the mock paper as well. It should take you maximum 10 minutes. And then you will see that you'll spend 10 minutes, mark EMD, and you'll take about 30 minutes to mark the easy 40 questions that have been identified, because easy questions are easy. They will take less than a minute for you to solve. So in 40 minutes, you would have already done 40 questions, which would have ensured 160. You have more 1 hour to ensure you get at least 10 more correct. अब 1 घंटा में आपको खाली 10 और सही करने हैं. You will be exceedingly confident. EMD technique saves you time. It is not a lot of time investment. ठीक है? कि सारे mock test में you apply the EMD rule, get more used to it. The first time that you apply the EMD rule, it is a possibility that you mark a difficult question and easy question. So I have actually shared this earlier, that it is a possibility that the first time, the second time, the fifth time, the sixth time that you apply the EMD rule, you may not become an expert, but it is definitely a much superior method than to go sequentially. 15 to 20 minutes if you are spending in the EMD technique, then you're doing something wrong. It should take you maximum 10 seconds to take a look at the question. You have to simply read the question. Topic आपको समझ में आ गया, अच्छा ये मेरे से हो जाएगा, instant E. It should take you 10 seconds to do it. So get more practice in the EMD technique. Become more confident of your own knowledge. See, EMD technique में incorrect आपका marking 2 reasons से हो सकता है. एक, you are not being able to read the question and understand the question properly. That is one. 2, you do not know what you do not know. You think that, okay, I know consumer behavior very well. You think you know consumer behavior very well, but actually your concept in consumer behavior may not be very strong. Okay, so you are confidently marking incorrectly the consumer behavior question. So that is the situation of I do not know what I do not know. So ये दोनों situations बहुत ही dangerous है. That अगर मुझे पता ही नहीं है कि मुझे क्या नहीं पता है, तो मैं क्या पढ़ूंगा? If I don't know what is actually wrong with my car, where will I go for the repair? Right? So be more confident and understand your own preparation. Understand what are the areas that are actually the strength areas for you, and also identify the areas that are actually weak for you. You have to identify both of them. Both are important. Okay.